Tamis na oo ni Nadine. Ang trending balita ay badila mo MJ Felipe.
So you're now officially a couple? Officially JD.
Biggest story ng weekend ang kumpirmasyon na mag-on na sina James Reid at Nadine Lustre.
I love you.
It is what it is. That's how I feel about her. I love her.
Love you too.
Kilig overload ang mga fans. Pero paano nga ba nasungkit ni James ang matamis na oo ni Nadine? Nanligaw ba siya?
For me, I guess because I'm Australian, or I guess I grew up in Sydney, the way that we court girls is different there. But of course, the first person to know was her father. I asked permission from him first a while back. So I tried to keep some of that Filipino tradition.
At pagdating ng February 11, niyaya ni James si Nadine na mag-dinner. Hindi in-expect ni Nadine ang moment na yun.
I thought, you know what? Right now's the right time. But she said, "Are you in love?" And I said, "Yes, of course." She knew who I was talking about.
Dead ma si James sa mga nagsasabing gimmick lang ang kanyang pag-amin. Ang importante ay masaya silang dalawa at may basbas na ng ina ni Nadine ang kanilang relasyon.
Being able to it's so liberating to just be able to, hold her hand in public and say, "I love you" out loud.
Ang dating acting-actingan lang, ngayon, totohanan na. Magtatapos man ang Otwol, magsisimula naman ang real-life love story ng JD.
I love you.
MJ Felipe, ABS-CBN News.